Hi guys, I'm back. So I have something to share with you guys. I got another Blushmark collab. But before we begin, I hope you are subscribed to my channel if you're not, and make sure you click that notification bell so that way you guys don't miss out. Okay. So this is going to be the second time I do this video because apparently the first time I did do a video on this, and guess what? My microphone was not on. Freaking yay! I'm so pissed. So anyways, let's get started. So we have Totally Fire black ankle leggings. This is how big it is. And I still do have the Blushmark tag, polyester and a spandex. Oh, but you can actually see through this. They really fit just nice. And I really, really love that it's stretchy. Let's go ahead and go with the next one. So we have this right here. This was $8. This top is actually called Daydreamer Red cut out long sleeve top, and this is a really, really nice shirt. It looks like it's so big on the screen. Oh my god. This is so weird. So anyways, so I'm doing another unboxing video or whatever, just anyways. So it does have like this nice fluffy top right or on the top on the shoulders, and it is a nice long sleeve shirt, and it does have this weird looking thing. I'm not even kidding, like this weird thing. It goes like this around the neck. I really, really love the top. It's nice, and it's got the like the pleated. It's actually called pleated on the arms. Right here is pleated. So as you can tell in my video, I was really, really comfortable with it. I really, really, really love this top a lot. I really love the top, and it fit me nice and snug. So I didn't have no issues at all. It was a size medium, and so was the other shirt. The other shirt was medium, sorry. So basically all my shirts and the leggings is medium. So that was $8. So this one right here, this is called When Lightning Strikes Black Sheer Sleeve Top. So this one right here is a sheer top. I don't know if you guys can see that, man. So anyways, this is a sheer top because of this. This right here, if you are wearing a ring and such, make sure you guys are, make sure you take off your rings. It's not sheer. It's really, really nice. I really like the style of this shirt, but the reason I was saying, if you have any rings or anything, make sure you take it off before you put this shirt on, because I almost caught myself in this, and it's my doing, not Blushmark's doing. But this is a nice top, and so on the front, it does have an opening right here where it, you'll see in the video. So anyways, I love this shirt. This is actually polyester and spandex, and I really, really like this shirt a lot. I also love that one too. Like, it fit me nice and snug. I didn't have no issues at all whatsoever. I kind of kept playing with the sleeves because it's so, so beautiful, and it feels so nice. So that one was actually $7. Now the next one, this is my favorite shirt. My favorite shirt. So this one is a medium, and this is also called Feeling Electric Pink Rib Knit Top. So this is a nice shirt. It's a long sleeve shirt, and as you can see the tag, but and it's ribbed, and this is also made out of, I'm pretty sure this one, what I read on there, this one is made out of cotton, and yes, cotton, and this is made of cotton and spandex. So this is a very, very nice shirt. I really like it a lot. But if you have lonjas like I do, I would tuck those babies away or something, because you know what I'm saying. Just kidding. I mean, sometimes I remind myself as a Pillsbury dough girl. So anyways, I love this shirt. As you can see in the video, I really, really like it a lot. I did have to wear, like, I did it for, you know, for just to see what it would do. But I left my tank top, I left my tank top under it, and if you have to, you would have to wear something under the shirt, because you will be able to see your bra or whatever it is that you have underneath. I do recommend for you to put something underneath that shirt, and other than that, it's really, really comfortable, and I kept pulling it down because I'm not used to wearing short tops, you know what I'm saying? So that one, it was actually $7. All right, guys, on to the next. So this one right here is a Lucky Black Sweetheart neck top. So this right here, and when I looked at this before I started putting it on, before I wore it, I thought this was not going to fit, because oh my god, it looks so big. But I'm like, honey, just try it. So anyways, it's a nice shirt. This right here is almost like a puffy right here, but this goes all along. This goes like on your shoulders, you know what I'm saying? Or you could do it like this, or you could do it like that. It's up to you. But it is a long sleeve shirt, and this one was $10, and I really, really like this shirt because the front on the cross, the front on the shirt right here is really, really nice, and it crosses over, and it is a stretchy fabric also, so you have no worries on like if it's not gonna fit or it's gonna be too tight or whatever. But this one was also a medium, and so was the pink one too, and I really like the way it fit. So the next one, you guys are going to be amazed by this one because this was my favorite one. I love the colors on this. And this one is actually called a Candy Shop White Tie-Dye Chiffon Top. So look at the colors, honeys. Look at the colors. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So it's short on the front of the shirt, and it's long on the back. It's going to be long in the back. This is the back right here. So you guys can see in the video of how it looks on me, and it's pretty long. I don't have no issues at all whatsoever with it, but look at the colors on this. This is so pretty. You know what? It almost reminds me of a candy, a jawbreaker. A jawbreaker, you know what a jawbreaker looks like? And oh my gosh, I love this shirt. This shirt is actually not, this shirt is not spandex. It's not stretchy, and it is just a fixed shirt to where you can't, like, you know, if you wanted to fit yourself more in this, it's not going to stretch. So that's good, but it feels very, very sturdy and everything. I mean, oh my God, you do have to iron this shirt. If you don't iron it, you're going to have creases. So that shirt is $7.99. Let's go ahead and go with the last shirt. It's Hot Topic Black Side Slit High Low Long Sleeve Top. And this one was $6, and this one was a medium. So here is the black shirt. It is nice and long. As you can tell in the video, I didn't have no issues with it at all whatsoever. So this is a medium, dude. It's a medium, but oh my gosh, this is the most comfortable shirt I have ever felt. It is a long sleeve. It is breathable. It is not like really tight to where you're gonna sweat your arse off. You know what I'm saying? And it's long. It's really, really long, and it does have the slits on the side. As you can tell in the video, it does have the slits on the side, so it's shorter in the front and it's longer in the back. I didn't have no issues with it at all whatsoever. So this one was a medium, and I like the way it felt, and it felt like almost like you can go night-night in it, but you can't, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, so yeah, that one was actually $6. So everything total of my stack of clothing from Blushmark is probably like 50 something, I think, if I can remember. But if you guys want to go check it out on Blushmark, go ahead and go to their website, www.blushmark.com, and you can save 20% off if you use my code BM7BB8C20. And you have to remember, this expires on 12/20, on December 20th. So you guys have to make sure you use that code before December 20th to get your 20% off. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you guys have any questions or whatever, just go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. Tell me if you got anything from Blushmark, and I just want to hear your thoughts and your feelings and whatever and such. So yeah. I will see you guys another time. Love you guys.